Namaskar to all. This is my English video, and for today's video I have taken a very general topic of English grammar, which is very easy and at the same time important as well, which starts from the primary classes and goes till competitive exam. And today's topic is articles. Yes, today's topic is articles, which are a, an, and the. Now the question comes, what are articles? Articles are the adjectives. They are placed before the nouns. As you must be knowing that adjectives are the describing words. They describe the noun and placed before the nouns only. Same ways, articles are the adjectives and they are also placed before the nouns. I believe you must be aware about the nouns. Nouns are the naming words. Name of person, place, animal and thing. And articles, which are a and the, they are always placed before the nouns only. So in today's video, let's study more about articles in detail. We have two types of articles, indefinite and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an, which we use for general things. Alright, then definite article is the, which we use for the particular or specific things. Now first we are looking for the use of a. Now a is used before the nouns which begin with a consonant. As you all must be knowing that there are 5 vowel and 21 consonant in English alphabets. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowel and rest are the alphabets are consonant. So any noun which begin with consonant will be used as a noun and a will be placed before them. For example, you can see a girl, a man, a train, a monkey. Now there are certain nouns. In second you can see nouns begin with vowel, okay, but have U or U sound. For example, uniform. Now you can see uniform is starting with a vowel, but it is having consonant sound. Same with European, it's starting with E but having different sound, which is consonant sound. A union. Union is again starting with U, which is a vowel, but it is also having consonant sound. So we must judge the words as per their sound. Are they making vowel sound or consonant sounds? So if they are starting with the vowel but having consonant sound, then we will be putting a before them. Before the word one as it sounds v. For example, a 1 rupee note, if one is written O-N-E-1. O is what? It's a vowel. But you can see O-N-E-1, it sounds v. That's W, which is a consonant. So we will be placing a before that. A one-day match. Now let's see about use of an. An will be used before the nouns which are beginning with the vowel sound. For example, an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an igloo. I never say that we place an before the words which start with vowel. I, E, O, U. No, because sometimes it goes against the rule. So we always need to see the sound. If the word starting with the vowel sound, then always we will be placing an. You can see the second one where the same point is explaining. Nouns or adjectives which begin with consonant when they are silent. Now in the next you can see an hour, an honest man, an honorable person. Here you can see all these words are beginning with H, where H is silent. It is not making their sound. Then what sound is coming from these words? R, honest, honorable. O sound is coming, which is a vowel sound. So always before placing an, you need to see the sound. If any word, any noun which is making vowel sound, simply and blindly place an. Alright? Omission of indefinite articles. Uncountable nouns. Before uncountable nouns, we never place a or an, because I say that we place these articles before the nouns, but not before the abstract noun or these nouns which are uncountable, like milk, water, sugar, oxygen, honesty. All right. Plural nouns. This is very simple because I told you in the very beginning that indefinite articles are placed before the singular nouns only. So no indefinite article before the plural nouns, and we never place indefinite article before these proper nouns like Ansh, Shreya, Arjun, etc. All right. This is all about indefinite articles and their omission, and in the next video we are going to begin with the definite article the and its omission. Actually, omission of the articles become very important for the children because they get confused where article will not be placed. So please study well, stay well, take care, bye bye, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done till now. Thank you, bye bye.